I'm Ted Scanlos. I work at the University of Colorado's National Snow and Ice Data Center. I'm the lead scientist for our group. I've got a wife, Carrie, and two sons, Alex, who's an engineer, and Ben, who is now working to be a brewmaster here in Colorado. I've been convinced by the evidence of global warming, of climate change. It's not a question of belief. I've got no choice. It's a fact. There were events in one part of Antarctica that were so dramatic and so beyond what the normal pace of evolution had been in Antarctica that it convinced me that it wasn't going to wait in the polar areas, that things were going to happen rapidly, especially in areas that are close to the freezing point of water. Think of all of the fires and cars and factories and the soot that we put into the atmosphere. The planet is not that big. I find that there's people out there that think that there's every probability that the human race just isn't going to be around all that much longer. And so why worry? And you can't let that be a guiding theme for how you look at the future, because you're committing folks that might figure out how to get around some of these problems, and then they'll say, what the heck? I mean, you left us with a planet that's like a burned out cinder. Thanks a lot, 21st century. It's such a challenge to the way our country, all the Western world, all of the developed nations, how they work. They work on the basis of things that happen in the short term. 5 years is a long-term plan for any government to undertake. And in fact, we're talking about 50 years as being sort of the short end of the spectrum of what we might respond to with climate change. We should take steps now because we're all connected, because this timeline of humanity, there's a moral connection between all ends of it.